In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Bankwest credit card online. By the end, you'll have your new card ready to use in just a few minutes. Before we begin, have your credit card handy and make sure you're on a secure internet connection. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Bankwest website. You can type the address directly or search for Bankwest and select the official result. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar so you know you're on the legitimate site. On the home page, locate the login button and select it. Sign in with your online banking credentials as you normally would. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify with a code or app approval. Go ahead and complete that prompt. If you can't remember your details, use the on-screen recovery options instead of guessing. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section. This is where all of your Bankwest accounts and cards are listed. Find your new credit card in the list. It may be labeled as new or show a prompt, and select it to open the card's dashboard. Inside the card view, look for the option to activate card and click it. The system may ask you to confirm a few details. Enter the last 4 digits of your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV on the back if prompted. Double check each field for accuracy. Small typos can delay activation and trigger extra security checks. Next, review the information shown on the screen and confirm the activation. If you're presented with any terms or a quick security reminder, read through them and proceed. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message stating that your card has been successfully activated. That's it, your card is now ready to use online and in store. A couple of quick tips before you go. Sign the back of your physical card, consider adding the card to your digital wallet, and set up transaction alerts or spending limits in your settings for added security. If the activate card option didn't appear, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. In some cases, newly issued cards take a short time to display, and if you still don't see it, contact Bankwest support for help. When you're finished, remember to log out of online banking, especially on a shared device. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next guide. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly activated card.